So last Friday was the first time it got above 70 degrees this year. And it felt amazing. And that means that it's almost spring. And with spring right around the corner, that means my birthday's almost here. One of the great things about my birthday is it always falls on spring break. And I've always taken advantage of that. Growing up, I had your typical childhood birthdays, but I never liked being the center of attention. So on my 18th birthday, my mom and I went skiing. But after an unfortunate accident, from there on, I always thought it'd be much, much better to have an experience, because memories always last a lot longer than any present ever. And though I may be traveling all around the world, I always take time to find something sweet. One of the marshmallows. Yeah. So fun fact, I actually like pie more than I like cake. But I'd never pass up a cupcake. Well, what about my birthday this year? Well, I still have my wish. And I know where I want to go. So be sure to subscribe to find out where I do go. Ah, this is good. And should be back with another video in 2 weeks. Because done is better than perfect.